NCB witness and 2018 Faraz Khana economical offence accused Kiran Gosavi's police custody has been extended by a day. Now to talk on this topic about the proceedings of the court, with us we have Advocate Garud and Advocate Kulkarni. Yeah, Mr. Garud, what would you say? What were the developments proceedings of today?
Today we have submitted our arguments before the Honorable Court, and during the course of argument it has come to our knowledge that one Kusum Gaikwad is also a co-accused against whom the FIR is also registered. And with the help of Kusum Gaikwad, the main accused Kiran Gosavi has created a forged Aadhaar card and used it for living or staying at various places throughout the territory of Maharashtra. The another important aspect which has been argued by the public prosecutor is the Kiran Gosavi is not cooperating to the investigating agency for the recovery of his WhatsApp account, Facebook account, email account data, and that is the ground for granting another day custody to the Kiran Gosavi.
One name Sachin Patil has also surfaced. In what connection?
Mr. Sachin Patil's Aadhaar card, the Aadhaar number is used for creating a different replica of Aadhaar card by embossing the photograph of Kiran Gosavi, and that Aadhaar card is used for as a residential proof to submit at various places to live as a resident also and to take a shelter at different places.
You mentioned that 1 lakh rupees have been recovered and 2,10,000 have to be recovered. What is that?
Yes, already this is the economic offence. Already this offence registered in the year 2018. At that time around, so this entire amount was rupees 3,10,000, and out of which only 1 lakh rupees amount has been recovered from the accused, and remaining amount hasn't been recovered from the accused. So in these circumstances, so we had submitted that point, so that recovery of money is necessary to recovered from the accused. By considering this point, Honorable Court grant 1 day custody. Already Honorable Court granted in first remand, so granted 8 days custody, and thereafter 3 days custody has been granted on 5th of November.
You also mentioned that the name Sachin Patil has also some connection with NCB.
Yes, so already as per the media reports, so Sachin Patil is connected with the NCB case. So in pursuance to that all media reports, so already it has been revealed that in the present investigation that present accused used Aadhaar card in the name of Sachin Patil. So there is a huge magnitude, so he was used that Aadhaar card in the other offences as well. So in that purpose, so it is necessary been recovered from the accused.
Is there any chance of any connection of Sachin Patil and NCB?
We cannot deny these chances because see, the Aadhaar card can be used only of the person who is close to the Kiran Gosavi, and without giving any idea, an Aadhaar card cannot be used for residential purposes and as an address proof for living at various places. So there is a strong connection of Sachin Patil and Kiran Gosavi with each other.
And the amount that was recovered, what was the procedure, and from which account was the amount of 1 lakh rupees recovered?
The amount of rupees 1 lakh is recovered by the police from Mr. Gosavi. Another issue which is obstacle actually for recovery of the money, that money is himself, is deposited by Kiran Gosavi himself with the police, and police is going to deposit this amount into the court, and then this amount will be given to the appropriate person. But about the remaining amount of the recovery, he is not cooperating to the investigating agency for giving that amount to the main complainant.
So important revelations and important developments in the investigation of 2018 economic offence registered at Faraz Khana police station, wherein NCB witness Kiran Gosavi is not cooperating. That's what is being mentioned and was mentioned during the court proceeding, and so 1 day's additional police custody has been granted to Faraz Khana police station. With cameraman Gopal Harnaj, is Pankaj Khelkar in Pune for India Today.